Hey Scrappers, Moose here again. Alright, so tonight's another video request from Z125. He asked me to look out for a car battery charger, and I found one. So I'm going to scrap that tonight. Alright, so this is the kind of jump start system that you plug it in, can either plug it into your cigarette lighter directly from this, or it has the cables here. This machine also has an air compressor built in, which is kind of interesting. So what you're going to want to do first of all is you're going to look in here. In a lot of these you're going to find there's some nice big pieces of copper in there. Sometimes these whole things are made out of copper. You just got to scratch the paint to find out. And the cable lead going to it, that is usually a pretty thick gauge of copper as well. So you're going to want to look at that. Alright, so you also have the power adapter that plugs in, so you can get some wire out of that and a little transformer in there. So here's the air compressor component, which is going to be just a couple of small motors, a little pump, a bunch of wire, nothing major in there. Right. So here we go. Here is the meat and potatoes of this. What all these car chargers, the battery booster packs are going to have is this really big lead acid battery. These you're going to get 24 cents a pound plus, and these things weigh a good bit. I mean, this one probably weighs about 10 pounds, so that's $2.40 just for battery. I mean, it can also be reused, sold on eBay, all kinds of things with them. Yep. If you look inside there, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see that where this wire meets up in here and is clamped under there, you can see that it's copper. So this is a really thick copper wire. Now the rest of this is just going to be, there's some low-grade board, some loose wire. That's about it. Some of these you're going to find a small transformer. That's pretty much all you're going to find in the case. So we got this piece off, which is got a sheet of copper here with a big chunk of brass, some aluminum, and that looks like steel. Yep, steel. Alright, so we got our battery here. This is a heavy brute. This is probably a good 10 pounds, a good $2.40 just for the battery. It is a lot of bright wire right there. That is pretty. Nice big wad of bright wire there. And let's see if we can take these things apart. Looks to be like just cheap plastic. So let's try the Alright, not that cheap. So for the air compressor part, there's going to be a copper bearing motor in there and some cast aluminum and some wire. That's about it. So we'll take this apart and then we'll put everything all together and see what we got. Alright, so to wrap up, so from the car battery charger, we've got a nice little handful of wire here. It's going to go in that $1 a pound stuff. We've got just a little bit of steel. There's a little bit more than that. I didn't keep all of it on. One copper bearing motor, which is pretty good size. Cast aluminum and extruded aluminum. Right there. We've got some brass over here. And we've also got some brass inside the little pressure gauge from the air compressor component. There's some brass and a little thing of copper here. Got all of this copper, which is, I mean, there's got to be at least a pound here. Number 2 copper over here, and the rest is all bright wire. And finally, we've got the battery. It's going to be about $2, $2.40 worth of battery right here. So that's what's inside a car charger. If you have any other questions, any other topics, send them on down. See ya. My free angle grinder, it came in. So that's just a follow-up from another video. Stop! Don't go anywhere! Comment. Say something. I want to hear from you. I want to know if you think I'm doing something great, I'm doing something bad, what I can do better. All comments are great. Make a suggestion what you want me to scrap next. And see you on the next video. Stop! Don't go anywhere! Comment. Say something. I want to hear from you. I want to know if you think I'm doing something great, I'm doing something bad, what I can do better. All comments are great. Make a suggestion what you want me to scrap next. And see you on the next video.